Hello everyone, TechKid here, and today I am bringing you a brand new video. It is going to be an unboxing of technology. Let's get right into it. These are all stuff that I ordered. So let's see. This is a webcam from Fifine. Can't wait to see how that goes. We have a knife sharpener. We have a Bluetooth adapter, a Sabrent USB hub, and Status headphones. Oh, there's more in there. I forgot about that. What was that? Oh, that's fine. And an external power adapter that will convert to hopefully any barrel plug that we have. So those three products, the knife sharpener, the USB hub, and the Bluetooth adapter, those are my brother's, so there will not be any content coming on those. His channel is Tigo Viral on YouTube. I'll link it down below. This is the Fifine K432 portable webcam. They are a microphone company, and branching out, there will be a review on this, and I cannot wait to do a review on this. I am really excited about this. So we are just gonna open it up here. I'm really curious about this. So this webcam records in 1080p 30 and 720p, and it just plugs into your USB hub, your USBs on your computer. It's got a full 360-degree rotation, and it tilts down just like so. That looks really pretty cool. Pretty dirty. What the heck? That doesn't make sense. The main thing I'm really curious about is the microphone quality. Can you use just the microphones on this, or do you need an external one? That will be a question answered in the review. So, I am really impressed with how this looks. The swivel, it's all plastic, but it looks really well made. I really like it. Cannot wait to use it. And it looks like you just clamp it. Okay, so there's the microphone with paperwork, as you expect. I cannot wait to use this. This webcam will be my webcam on my computer from now on. So I cannot wait for it to use it. Again, this is an adapter with, as you can see, a bunch of barrel plugs and just plugs in general for HP, Lenovo, all the computers. It's just an extra AC adapter, so if you have a laptop set up and you don't want to, and their cords are all tied up, you can utilize this for your computer. I hope this one works with mine, because it's actually really freaking cool. I really like it. Can't wait to use that. And then the last, and also in the box of the adapter, you get all the computers that it works with, and more probably. So the Status CB1s, these were headphones under 50 bucks that Random Frank P did a quick review on them, and I don't have any wired over-ear headphones, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. So there may be a review on these depending on what I think of them. Just try not to break the box, that's all. There we go. The box is really awesome. I really like the box. And look, food. And here are the headphones themselves. So technology. So you have headphone jack to headphone jack, and you have an XLR adapter, which I think is pretty amazing. You even, you got two options. You can do XLR or not. So I think that is pretty amazing. Got some paperwork, as you do with technology, and straightforward. Nothing else in the box. Some twist ties to... So let me know down in the comments if you want a full review on these. And then if you do, I'll make it happen. I love these accents, but overall, really good. They fit over the ear just great, and I cannot wait to use them. Thank you very much for watching. And again, links to everything will be down in the description. And so will my brother's YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Peace.